Hello everyone, this is Jagrav and today I am going to show you the cheapest pencil with which we can make drawings with. This is actually the cheapest pencil that I have bought till now. Okay, this is an Apsara extra dark designer pencil. This costs about 15 rupees. Okay, and it gives off really very much nice shade for drawings. And this is a Luxor blue pencil. I mean, not blue color, but a normal pencil, which is, really good. Okay, this gives off really light shades. I have drawn many drawings with this. Okay, and this is my favorite pencil. This is a Stabilo 160 pencil, and very expensive pencil, 100 rupees each. And this is actually its result. Okay, you can see it gives off really light shades actually, like this, and you have to give many strokes to make it dark. I've actually also highlighted it with a 10B. Okay, so 10Bs are really good for highlighting these kind of places, for shadows and etc. But today I will be showing how this pencil draws. Okay, because if you are just a beginner, then it would be good for you to draw with these kind of pencils. Okay, and then slowly moving on to these and these and these. Okay, now I also draw with this pencil. Okay, this I got free with Horlicks actually, but this gives a nice shade actually. I love how it works. Okay, but it's just Horlicks pencil.
This is just Horlicks pencil, but the color, the
leads that I use is 2B leads. Okay, these are 2B leads and really good. So let's start off with
the pencil. Now, as you know, first we need to draw
big circle, this much big. So let's draw that big circle. In the next video I would be drawing a Naruto suggested by my sister Harshita's shield. Now here is the circle. Okay, now after making the circle you can see it gave off a really nice light shade. Okay, now we need to turn this circle into an oval from here. Okay, I will just show. Let it focus. This is actually the oval we need for making its face. Okay, the actual face is also an oval if you see it properly, but we are going to make it sharper as it comes down. This was a much big oval than the other one, this one. Okay, due to which its face is bigger than normal. Okay, I have practiced few anime eyes actually, many anime eyes. We are going to
make a straight line, cutting the whole thing in half, and then it should look like a coffee bag green. Then we are going to cut it into another half. Now this is actually not the face. Okay, we are going to form its face as we move down. Okay, now we are going to make its eyes. Let's add a big over here, small nose, a nice smile. Smile. Now we are going to cut its face like that, so that its cheeks would
about this pencil that is let me focus it. Now I've found one special thing about this pencil, that is as much we use it, it doesn't get Other pencils get blunt really easily, like this one. You can see it got blunt really easily. Okay, and I barely used it and it got blunt. So now let's start making its eyes. Now I should be a little bit big in
Now you can't make the eyes perfect, there's no problem.
though, because you have to draw it as close as the other eye. It's not that you have to make the carbon copy, then you need to use those softwares. Well, there is many kinds of softwares like Medibank Paint. Okay, you can use Medibank Paint.
Or if you have those styluses like this pen, or maybe that.
Character is a little, sad kind of happy. So it should look like that. Just show you. Now this I use this pen free. Okay, I don't have the stylus near me right now, but I can show you. So here we can actually draw really nicely and really precisely. We have many different kinds of pencils. Actually over here you can see so many types of pencils, and we can also use symmetry, like vertical symmetry or horizontal symmetry. That is, whatever we draw over here, it gets reprinted in the other side too. So this is just a smiling heart. Now after coming to this point, after drawing so much, the only problem for me is to draw its hair. Yep. Now planning the hair is really very much hard. Okay, so I've still practiced kind of hair for this special video. Okay, but you can make any kind of hair if you are good at that, then that's good. Okay, that's the weakest point for me, drawing hair. Now we are going to draw its ears. The graphite used in this stabilo is much more easily erasable than that of this pencil, because there always stays a mark. See that? So you have to rub more and more to remove it. Just like that. Okay, so that's why I love stabilo pencils. Okay, I'm having 3 of these. I bought them online. Really nice pencil. Okay, let's see, it's written over here, stabilo.
Show you. Based on my much sound, that's this. Stabilo pencil 160.
This is HB actually, and HB pencils are, I think, are good for drawing than that of special pencils which have other kinds of B's, like 2B, 3B, 4B. still we get nice pencils by Faber-Castell. We're going to make its hair. Yep. Here, okay, let's first do the shading. Shading here. There is the drawing of the new anime model. Okay, hope you like it, and please tell me which one of these which one is better, this one or this one. I think this one is good. Oh, I forgot. Which one? So hope you guys liked my drawings, and thanks for watching my video. Bye.